RSS stands for Real Simple Syndication, and there are a number of applications. But basically what it means is that you can pull content from a source and use it in different ways. One of the great ways to demonstrate this is by looking at a feed reader like Feedly. It's a product that I use. For example, if I wanted to subscribe to cybersecurity feeds on Reddit, as you can see over here, I can say, follow this feed, put it under Reddit, and now it's going to add this info security news to my Reddit feed. And when I go up here under Reddit, you can see I have a whole bunch of different feeds in there, and the info security is going to be right here. So I can very quickly take a look and see what are the posts that are published in here, and then click through and go to the source. I'm going to now show you how you can create custom feeds using Kurator and the different applications of your feed and how you can actually get to use that. Let's take a look. With Kurator, every one of your collections can generate a custom RSS feed. In order to do that, you go to the Publish Collections section of Kurator. You can click on the three dots. You select the collection. From the down arrow, you can now select the collections that you want to add to your public collection. Once you add it, you simply click on the three dots. You go over and you say collection feed. And it's going to generate a custom feed for this collection and copy that to the clipboard. From here, you can use it, and let's see all the different ways that we can use this feed. After copying my RSS link to the clipboard, I can now start adding it to various applications. For example, I can go over to my Feedly and follow sources. I simply paste the link copy to the clipboard over here. It's going to now add this content marketing feed and says follow. It's going to ask me where I want to put it. I'm going to put it under my optimal access feeds. And when I now scroll down to my optimal access feeds and I click on it, you can see the content of my collections folder, content marketing, is now going to appear here on Feedly. And every time I add a new post to my collection, it's automatically going to sync it with my Feedly feed. A lot of people use these readers as a collaborative workplace. This is a great way for you to add custom research feeds to the workspace and allow everybody to follow and enjoy that. Now let's take a look at a couple of other applications of where we can use our RSS feeds. Many news readers allow you to add RSS feeds to pull content into the newsletter. I use a product called Rasa. I'm going to show you how it works in Rasa. It says add source, and then it has a feature or a section for adding RSS feeds. I'm going to simply, again, paste my link in here, say next, and it's going to now take that content and add it here to my newsletter. Once you sync it, every time you add new content, it's going to pull the latest content. It's not going to pull everything. And this is a very easy way for you to take your curated research and create a newsletter out of it and send it out on a frequency of your choosing. Now let's take a look at a couple of other applications. Another place you can use your custom Kurator RSS feed is with automation platforms like IFTTT. Stands for if this, then that. And you can see under RSS, it has a number of different RSS apps, RSS to Twitter. when you add your RSS feed to this app, every time new content is added to your RSS feed, it's going to automatically post it to your Twitter account. The same with Zapier, another RSS platform. Connect RSS by Zapier to 8,000 plus apps. So you can see how powerful RSS can be automating workflows. And one of the great applications that I see is to power your RAG chatbot. For example, I'm working on an application with a partner company, Ask Rally, which is a synthetic user testing platform where you can take an RSS feed and feed content into the memory and then ask people what they think about the topic based on news and information that was fed to them. Unlimited possibilities with custom RSS feeds. Give it a try.